Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete your account in Warcraft Rumble. To delete your account, click on your profile in top left corner, then settings, delete account. And now if you want to remove your Battle.net account, click here, continue, I understand, continue, then find a verification code on your email. So let's go to my Gmail app, and find the verification code. Let's copy it. To copy it, press and hold on it and tap on copy. Then click here, press and hold and tap on paste. Now submit. And now you'll receive an email when your account gets deleted. You can click on done now. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.